friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SD classes. Our today's topic is that we will be revising all the sight words that we have done in the past. We have worked on the, this, is, my, on, and. Please take a pause and try and read these sight words by yourself. After we are done reading all these sight words, we will also talk about these families that will be included in this particular video, that is at family and an family. At, an. For example, k, t, cat, cat, and can. At family and an family. Let's start reading. I had a cat. I had a cat. The cat is sad. The cat is fat and mad. I had a cat. The cat is sad. The cat is fat and mad. This is my dog. This is my dog. I am sure you must be thinking, which is this cat who is sad as well as mad? Let me show you. This is my sweet cat. She is not only sad but also fat and mad. Let's go forward and read the next one. I had a dog. I had a dog. The dog is sad. The dog is sad. The dog is fat and mad. This is my rat. Once again, I had a dog. The dog is sad. The dog is fat and mad. This is my rat. I am very sure this is a silly dog who is sad and fat. Let's try and figure out which else animal do we have here. I had a rat. I had a rat. The rat is sad. The rat is sad. The rat is fat and mad. This is my bat. What a silly rat who is sad and fat and mad, and it may have a bat. Oh, my. Let's do the next one that says, this is my rat. This is my rat. The rat is sad. Now let's try read about this rat once again fluently. This is my rat. The rat is sad. The rat is fat and mad. He's fat and mad. Oh my God. Let's try one more time. This is my rat. The rat is sad. The rat is fat and mad. The cat had a rat. Let's repeat the last one. Try one more time. The cat had a rat. Very good job. You guys are amazing. I am so proud of you. Let's try and read the last one. The cat had a bat. The cat had a bat. The bat is on the mat. The bat had a ham. The bat had a ham. You guys have made Miss Suman so proud. I just want to make a big smiley for you guys so that you can show it to your mom and dad that you did an amazing job today working with me. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon.